Dear children, welcome to the Standard 6 Social Science class. Today I will teach you Part 2 Geography, Chapter 8. Kindly all of you open page number 175. India Physical Features. Children, we already know India is a large country. Landforms are uneven and varies from place to place. Now we will read India is divided into different physical divisions on the basis of different physical features. We will learn about the different physical features of India. In this chapter we will discuss about meaning of physical features. By physical division we mean the systematic description of landforms and their division into particular groups such as mountains, plateaus, plains, along with their rivers and lakes. These landforms are characterized by difference in elevation between the higher and lower part of the land surface and are termed as relief features. According to their relief features, the country has been divided into the following physical divisions. Now we will one by one discuss. Number 1, the Great Northern Mountains. 2, the Great Northern Plains. 3, the Great Peninsular Plateau. 4, the Great Indian Desert. 5, the Coastal Plains. 6, the Eastern and Western Ghats. 7th, the island groups. The Great Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountain consists of the Himalayan ranges, the Trans-Himalayan range and the Purvanchal. Children, turn the page. Now we will discuss Himalayan ranges. The high mountain ranges in the north run in all directions from the Pamir north. The Pamir is also known as the roof of the world. An arc-shaped mountain chain runs all along the northern frontiers of India. This is known as the Himalayan range. Himalaya literally means abode of snow. These ranges extend from the Indus Valley in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east for about 2,500 km. The width varies from about 400 km in the west to about 150 km in the east. They are well known for their snow-covered peaks, big and small, glaciers, deep valleys and thick forests. They attract tourists from all over the world. They are young fold mountains with parallel ranges and high peaks which are always covered with snow. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges, the Himadri, the Himachal and the Sivalik. The height of these ranges decreases from north to south. Children, see Himadri, northernmost range of Himalayas. Second, we will discuss the Himadri. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is called Himadri. It is also known as the Greater Himalayas or the Inner Himalayas. The average height of this range is 6,000 meter. It houses some of the highest peaks of the world. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, 8,848 meter, is located in Nepal. Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meter. Makalu, 8,481 meter. Dhaulagiri, 8,172 meter. Nanga Parvat, 8,126 meter. Annapurna, 8,078 meter Nanda Devi 7817 meter are also located here. Its peak remains covered with snow permanently throughout the year. Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers located in these mountains melt to provide water to river Ganga and Yamuna that rise from these glaciers. The Siachen Glacier on the Indo-Pakistan border is the longest glacier in the world outside the polar region. It is 70 km long. Nathu La and Jalep La through Darjeeling on the Indo-Tibet border and Sipki La through Himachal Pradesh on the Indo-Tibet border are main mountain passes. It is difficult to cross the mountain range without mountain passes. Next we will discuss Himachal. The range that lies to the south of Himadri and north of Sivalik is called Himachal. Children, the range that lies to the south of Himadri and north of Sivalik is called Himachal. It is also called the Middle Himalayas or Lesser Himalayas. Its average height is about 4,500 meter. Most of the hill stations are located in this range. Simla, Mussoorie, Darjeeling and Nainital are places which have been attracting tourists from all over the world from a long time. Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar are the major ranges of the Himachal range. It has a number of longitudinal valleys. The Kashmir and Kangra Valley are two of them. The Sivalik. The southernmost range of Himalayas are known as Sivaliks. It is also known as the Outer Himalayas. Sivalik mountain range. Average height of this range is less than 1,500 meters. The marshy region at the base of this range is called the Terai. Forests in the Terai region are being cleared for cultivation. This part of the Himalayas is the youngest fold. It is made up of loose rock material, so it is most prone to landslides. There are flat valleys between the Himachal and Sivalik range called dunes. For example, Kotli Dam, Dehradun, Patli Dune, etc. Okay students, thank you.